What if your next business idea could be created in minutes using AI? Great ideas don't fail, execution does. Today, I'll show you how to turn your ideas into a real business using just two AI tools, ChatGPT and Midjourney. No coding, no design skills, just creativity and AI. Welcome to AI Tools and Automation Finder. If you can describe an idea, you can build its first version today. AI removes the biggest barriers to starting a business: time, skills, and money. ChatGPT handles thinking and planning. Midjourney handles visuals and branding. When strategy and visuals click, you move from idea to action. Here's the exact path we'll follow together. Use AI as your business partner, not a replacement for you. We'll validate your idea, build your brand visuals, and create your first assets. Strategy with ChatGPT, visual identity with Midjourney, launch plan by the end. Everything shown is beginner-friendly and repeatable. Ready? Let's validate your idea. This is how AI becomes your ultimate business partner. It compresses work from weeks into hours without hiring a team. You stay the decision maker. AI does the heavy lifting. Let's put it to work, step by step. Open ChatGPT. We'll start with validation. Watch the prompts, copy them, build along with me. Start with ChatGPT. Ask it to validate your idea, define your audience, and find a problem worth solving. Prompt: validate this business idea and list top 3 risks and opportunities. You'll get fast clarity on market fit and what to test first. Business idea brainstorming. Target audience definition. Value proposition generation. Treat ChatGPT like your strategy engine. Ask for a problem statement and 5 validation questions you can use with real people. Turn those into a quick survey to collect evidence, not opinions. Then request a simple MVP plan with key assumptions and success metrics. If the signals are strong, proceed. If mixed, adjust. If weak, pivot and rerun. Save this thread. It becomes your living brief. Now let's turn strategy into visuals. Next, use Midjourney to create your brand visuals, logos, product images, ads, and social content. Start with a logo concept in your chosen style and palette. Build a simple style guide, fonts, colors, and iconography. Generate realistic product mock-ups to visualize the offer. Create ad variations to test messages and visuals. Midjourney becomes your visual identity engine. Use structured prompts: subject, style, palette, mood, and composition. For product shots, specify lighting, lens, and background. For ads, reserve space for copy and ensure brand consistency. Export and organize assets by use case for easy reuse. In minutes, your idea looks real and credible. Now we'll build the first assets your business needs. ChatGPT can write your product descriptions, landing page copy, emails, and even your first marketing plan. Feed it your features and benefits to generate compelling copy. Ask for a wireframe: hero, problem, solution, benefits, proof, and call to action. Generate a 3-email sequence: awareness, consideration, and offer. Request a 7-day plan with channels, budget ranges, and daily actions. AI builds the foundation so you can focus on customers. Constrain length and ask for scannable bullets. Name the framework you want and the proof elements you have. Add budget tiers so you can scale as you learn. Assemble your MVP page using your copy and Midjourney visuals. Check mobile, load time, and clarity of your offer. With assets ready, pick a revenue path. With AI, you can launch digital products, print-on-demand stores, online services, or faceless content brands fast. Choose one to start, then layer more. Sell templates, mini courses, and guides with lightweight platforms. Use your AI visuals to create attractive product covers. Spin up print-on-demand designs and test trends quickly. Upload, set margins, and connect to marketplaces. Offer services like brand kits and copy refreshes powered by AI. Build faceless content brands using stock, AI visuals, and scripts Create a simple pricing ladder and a clear next action for buyers. Keep the loop tight. Validate, brand, build, sell, learn. Here's what to expect when you execute. AI doesn't replace effort, but it multiplies it. The winning formula is simple. Your ideas plus AI execution. Consistency beats perfection. Ship, learn, improve, validate, design, build, monetize, repeat. If you've been waiting for the perfect time to start, this is it. Subscribe for AI tools and automation finder insights into the smartest tools shaping tomorrow. Grab the prompt templates and starter kit below. New videos weekly on AI tools, automation, and monetization. I'm here to help you turn ideas into business. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.